Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious yam pie from start to finish. We'll cover everything from choosing the right yams to baking and serving your masterpiece. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring your yam pie turns out perfectly every time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this classic dessert. First, let's talk about selecting and preparing your yams. Look for firm, unblemished yams, ideally around 2 pounds. After peeling, cut them into 1-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly. You can boil or steam them until they are very tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Once cooked, mash them thoroughly until smooth, making sure to remove any fibrous strings. Now, let's create that irresistible yam pie filling. In a large bowl, combine your smooth mashed yams with half a cup of brown sugar. Next, add 1/4 cup of melted butter and 2 large eggs. Stir in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg for that warm, inviting flavor. Finally, mix in 1/3 cup of milk until your filling is perfectly smooth and creamy. It's time to bake your delicious yam pie. Pour your prepared filling into a 9-inch unbaked pie crust. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes, or until the center is set. Once baked, allow the pie to cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. Serve it as is, or garnish with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.